Come here, Mimi. If you don't come here, I'll come to you. Come on.
Don't touch me.
My little cutie, let me give you a kiss.
Don't come any closer.
Not even a kiss. You don't love me? I'm going on a business trip for a few days. Remember to eat well.
Why hasn't he come back yet? Could something have happened to him while hunting? You better come back alive.
Let's see what Mimi is doing. She's probably sleeping soundly. Is she waiting for me to come home? She still cares about me after all. Mimi, I'm back.
You're still alive.